go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise on board.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear, no. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in that visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel.
We made it to Florence, East Coast. But we're heading to, I guess, the city center. And then we're gonna maybe put something on our stomachs and just see what all they got to give here. But this train station is not bad, not like the one in Rome where it's kind of chaotic. This seems like an organized mess. So let's see what we stumble upon. Okay, so it's starting to drizzle just a bit, so we're actually going to grab a quick breakfast, brunch, whatever. There's a lot of cafes here, to be expected, but I want chicken and waffles. My wide back is showing, so there's some place here called Rooster Cafe. There's two of them, and one of them is about a 7-minute walk for us, so we're walking there now. Oh, they have so many good like leather goods. Exclusive. But yeah, I might stop in one of these like leather stores while we're here.
I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. I want you around. Oh,
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie. inside hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face.
The sun is out. It feels amazing. We're heading to an art gallery now, and hopefully walking through the gallery will help like clear our stomachs so that we can make room for our Florentine steak. That's like a big like you must do. You must have that while you're here. So we're trying to make room for it, but brunch was so filling that it's like, how do you make room for anything else? And then we also saw a ramen spot when we first got here, and we were like, oh, let's have that for dinner before we get on the train and head to Venice. But I don't think we're gonna be able to eat both. Like, your girl is full, and that's wild because usually I can eat for days, but that chicken and waffles was magnifico. But yeah, good sunshine, making me greasy. Finally, we got our tickets. It was a pretty long line. So for anyone that plans on traveling to Florence and is thinking about coming to the art museum, I do strongly recommend getting your tickets in advance. If anything, I'll put a link down in the description so that you guys don't have to wait in that long line like we did. This is what, fourth set of stairs. Thighs are burning. I think we're at the top.
Let me tell them a story. That's why blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top of the beat. I'm in the light. Yeah, no, I'm a person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like one. But I'm good for the journey, that's the clock.
Just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so blame bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me. Be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. At you, last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me. il ritornello amore, mentre la mamma russa.
Get our water for hydration and a little snackety snack to try. I think you. I'm scared this is gonna get all over me.
I think we gotta cut this.
Do we?
I think we do. You got it? You just twist it?
I don't know what flavor this is. I don't know what this is. I already know. Remember those Kool-Aid Twist Cap juices? Yeah, that's exactly what this tastes like. Made it back to the train station. About to head to Venice.
I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people and shadow.
Okay guys, so we made it to our hotel. We're all checked in. Our host was super amazing. He walked us to our room. Y'all, when I say I'm so tired, it's been a long day, but tomorrow will be the first day that we'll be able to just sleep in. This will be the first day all week, and our flight out of here doesn't depart until like 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. So it's gonna be a long day on foot here, y'all. But we were given a map of Venice, and this is a wonderful location because we're 3 minutes away from St. Marco's Square, which is like the city center for Venice. So that makes life a lot easier. But even in the dark, us just walking to our hotel and taking the water taxi, it's beautiful. So we're gonna unwind, warm up a bit, and then actually go for a little walk and see what's in the area. Just take it all in. Yeah, let's enjoy this evening before we get into our shenanigans tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so change of plans. Instead of going for a walk, we had a mini dilemma. My adapter to like charge our devices broke while we were on the train. It kept falling out the socket, so yeah, I guess that caused a short, and now it's not working. So I went downstairs to talk to the gentleman at the front desk. Thank goodness for him. I'm gonna put his name somewhere once I remember what it is. He was super kind. He let us use his, or I guess the hotel's, so we can charge our devices. And that really saved our butts. But yeah, I went ahead and showered. This hotel is actually really comfortable too. It was really hard finding a hotel here that wasn't super outdated. because all of them have like Victorian style decor, which the way they did it here is actually not the best way I can put it. Is a lot of the stuff we saw online looks like it smelled old. Doesn't look or feel or smell old. It just feels kind of like you're in a museum, especially in like the lobby ways. It's like really intimate and quiet. The marble floors out there and everything. It's not a very big room, so I could really give you this room tour laying down. So this is the headboard. You see the wallpaper, and that's everything else in the room. We have a mini fridge, closet down there. The bathroom is actually really cute. It's all marble, but traditional, older Italian style bathroom that you'll see in like a hotel. That's pretty much it. Nothing too special, but also not too like outdated. And it's like in the perfect location. I think that's the best part about it, because we're on like the main island here in Venice. And then in the morning, we're gonna do our gondola ride and grab brunch. We might do like a not a hotel here. Might do a museum or something while we're here to kill time, because we have so much time to kill. Our flight isn't until like 9 p.m. to go back to Naples, so we're just big chilling, you know. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to check in and let y'all know the nighttime walk is not happening, but we're safe, we're cozy, we have a resolution to charge our phones. Thank you again so much for letting us borrow the charger here at the hotel, because I know a lot of hotels are like, you're SOL. And then when I was like, is there anywhere I can buy one to replace mine? And he's like, ma'am, all the stores here close at 6 p.m. I'm like, you know what, you're right. You're right. But yeah, all's well that ends well. I'll see y'all in the morning as we go out and start exploring Venice. Buonanotte, y'all. Buonanotte.
The next day.
Good morning. Okay, so it is Venice Day, and we got a lot of sites that we want to see, but we're going to be here for quite some time. Our flight leaving Marco Polo Airport isn't until like 9 p.m. Yeah, 9 p.m. We'll get back in Naples at 10. But for sure on our to-do list today, Jeannie, shout out to my homie Jeannie. She created like a little to-do list for us for today. So I saw something about the Bridge of Sighs, St. Marco's Square, or St. Mark's Square, which is kind of where everything appears to be anyways. We'll be doing a gondola ride, grabbing brunch. Like, I'll insert the sites here that we're gonna try to squeeze in as well, which we probably will be able to do all of them because it's not a really big island here, so it should be pretty easy to get around. From what I saw last night, the city is beautiful, so I'm excited to see what it looks like during the day. But we're about to go check out, do our gondola ride, and then by the time the ride's finished, we should be approaching our reservation time for brunch. But yeah, this is today's fit and my true Italian wear today. Trying to get that good, you know, that golden photo with the gondola ride. But let's go explore and start our day.
He gave me poetry.
Okay, so we just finished our gondola ride. It was really relaxing, really nice. A lot of beautiful sights. Hi. And now we are in San Marcos Square, and we're going to grab brunch. Look at how beautiful this is.
I love it when she sings to me just like that. You know you rock my world. You be boy and I'll be girl. It don't stop till the break of dawn. You know you rock my world.
Degrees. Period. Sorry, I don't know where that came from.
That's the Megan Thee Stallion period.
Oh, too below. Too Like the wide backs we are, we're eating again. Like the first restaurant was amazing. Food was mwah. Customer service was amazing. It was just so expensive. They were like, yeah, let's go find us a little hole in the wall and put our stomachs on food. But after this, what are we gonna do after this?
Okay, what time is it now? It's gonna be 3?
Yeah. Because it's also approaching 3 o'clock. I forget the term for it, but usually midday, a lot of restaurants will shut down in Italy. They'll open back up at like between 6 to 7:30. And we're actually going to be heading to the airport at about 6 o'clock, 6:30. That way we can make sure we get off the island in time and make it to the airport and so on and so forth. But besides that, I'm still tired from yesterday. Like, I think my body just wants to rest. I'm gonna see if I can find us maybe like a little foot massage place or something. Take a cat nap, or we will be finding a chapel and going to sleep. Don't judge me. But let's check out this menu.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. hold you for life. So dark, coming closer.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the Marco Polo airport. We just took the water taxi. It was really convenient, kind of fun, and really relaxing to navigate here to the airport from St. Marco's Island, I think is what it was called. But we're here quite early, so I'm gonna see if we can find like maybe a massage parlor or somewhere to like rest our feet in a lounge while we wait on our flight. But it's been real. Thank you all so much for traveling with me to Florence in Italy, Florence and Venice. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch y'all next time.
This one I better do it, ja. Me, I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do, yeah, da.